Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another new video tutorial. Today we create a sparkly shiny text animation using only HTML and CSS. Here is our animation. Click when you hover the mouse and shiny text. When you click, it's zoom out and zoom in. Also, some stars are glowing effect. Let's go to our coding. Here is our index.html file. We use here SVG viewbox. Import from w3.org, and this is our style.css coding part. We separate by comment out animation, like animation for sparkless, and another section. We will provide the full source code link in video description. Please join our Facebook group and subscribe our channel to get update video notification. Thank you. Stay with us.